Hey.
Hi guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be alerted. But guys, don't forget to share the video. I bring out what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and for those that do support me, I want to say may the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
una day? Rita, ayemiomo people, good evening. Good evening, my lovely people. How una day? Me una share the video. Thanks for joining. You are welcome. Mana no sofure mi so. Yes. Ebi social media ya mwe. Emiria. Eso wa ero. If social media people someday we be say then the suffer for matter. The movie industry is on fire. Our lovely, beautiful Edo movie industry, the Mayahio, where we take the make chakara, where we take the gallant, where we take the gallivant. The people where be say we they look up to, they are fighting. And according to news where they reach my hand, they say many of them, or some of them, don't try to do what they call. Thank you. Good evening. How are you, Zion? Please share the video as you are joining with two people. May I join now with this phone? Try to do what they call. May I join now? The matter, my people, it get as it be. It dey very hot. And for here too, we want me with trash am. Me we trash the matter, but in a good way. Without missing words, my people. Waiting they happen so it not good. It pain my heart. It pain my heart where today as I open my phone, as I wake up in the morning. I open my phone and I see JJ Barry. They talk. I was heartbroken. Who be all this one way they call? They know they call it. I will block you. What these people? As I see JJ Barry, the first person when I open my phone this morning as I wake up for bed, now JJ Barry, and the thing not go down well with me at all. Now that time you say ask me waiting this person can they call me for now. Yes, hello. Thank you. I need to block so that they can allow me to do my show. I'm gonna share the video, my people. When I see Mr. JJ Barry, you are welcome to Rita Ayemiomo TV. Esther Edokpayi, you are welcome, and the rest of the people where they our wonderful and beautiful Edo movie industry. The truth of the matter be say, me I be one person where be say it don't take when I watch Edo movie reach long time. I know they watch Edo movie for a very long time. Unless say I enter person house, I see and say then they wash, then I go join the wash and small. I'll join the enjoy and small. I will join the filary small for inside. But the truth of the matter be say, waiting on the happen, so it can't be like say it's too much. It's getting more rugged and more rugged every day. Edo movie industry don't they pass. Waiting we be Edo people. Waiting we be the Benin people. Waiting we be say we be the indigenous. This matter I felt talk put from days ago. Although say many people don't already talk put, made the matter quench, the matter not quench. But on my own personally, na peace, na comfort for our beautiful Edo movie industry. I know say many water don't pass through the bridge. I know say many things don't happen. Some people don't get grudges and hurt and pain when they know if you take forgive. But the truth of the matter be say, agalo wejo loweri, my Bini people, ekenoni San George, Edokpayi ekiri, idede. Personally, I want to make I beg all the Edo people before this begging when I want to do so. I go allow people where understand what they go on for inside this matter. Now make me want make a calling. Not be calling where they insult person. The calling of the things where you fair know, where you fair understand say they go on, or the reason where the matter not finish. If you not get wisdom, my people, not talking to this matter with the grand so. If you know say you not get wisdom, because we get platform where we get for live video, where people they follow, where those people they listen to, na to suffer yeme, Now, when you hear matter, you see and you carry a come platform and people to deliberate on it. Make them themselves where they involved for inside the matter. Make them see the hear. Make them see the listen. Make them didn't know say people they where this matter they affect negatively. The people where they follow me alone personally on this platform, where don't call personally on this issue, not be small. They are concerned about some people where they like, where they get love for, where they see say their name, their reputation, and everything where they represent as Sedo Idigen. Everything where they represent as Sedo person where they do movie industry. You don't they go down the drain. So these people are very, very interested in saying enough is enough. Like Oseveniana, like Ohiando Bungbi, or Makakeno Igbiraviana is getting out of hand and is getting too much. And the saga is getting rugged and rugged. Edo movie industry is for movie and for music. Abi Ayan. Ayan not be for music and for movie. I believe say Ayan is for only music and the movie. Now that they do for Isa Ayan. Why it be say Ayan is now slowly becoming presenter squad and attackers and defenders and everything. Now so it can't be sumo. Now there we can't be yariye so we be say we don't understand the game. We also will be beneath people we are not happy about it. Me personally, I'm not happy about it. My fans not happy about it. So now cause and we be say I want leave. Hello. Eh? Where? I did life. Why you not fit comment? Successful? No, not be me. I not block you. I not block you. Now people where they shoot, where they follow me, where they will run my Facebook, that the way people where they cry because of you. Now then they do one. I not go. Now then they fight my commenters because then they fight them because of you. May you try to check and again, come out again, you see say not be me one. I go they block my person where not the. I know the account where they talk, so now my follower you be now. More now they careful of waiting. And if you see and say that account not they go again, may you open another account. That me that they use until they fight. More now not mind that they use and you know say that they cry for my views since now. Oh, so my view where they cry for now, I make them they fight my distance. Where I go, what we have. Yeah, you know. Well, I can't we ma go where yalla or can't away. Man understand? Ola they are not right. They even way setting with Bonnie. Call. Do. All right. So, beautiful Rita, ayemiomo people, my lovely people. Call her bring money, make I open fake account for you. You know, sabi not be everybody sabi open fake account. So, I want us as a family of Ritotarians, may we talk put for inside this matter with the ground. Because the message when I dey see since the post when I dey see because me I dey follow apropos well. Because of this matter where they ground, I can follow one of them where they call easy. Hey, I dey easy no easy salopwa. I dey easy no easy. Do you know that it don't tell where they follow Edo people? I never even know say anybody where they call easy they inside this Edo movie industry. I don't know say they. If not be this saga where they ground, I don't even know say somebody where they call easy they inside the movie industry. Me mind now this saga where they ground so hello T-Boss, how are you? Now this saga where they ground, I can make me know say get person where they call easy. Now movie they a movie I don't know. So my people, I want allow Ritotarians and other peoples make them talk into the matter where they ground so. Then why all of them they see what they happen. Since I not confident they explain what happen. Hello, hold on.
Hello?
Wait, hold on. I not confident explain what they happen. Una don already the see for outside. But soon now way they outside so now me come the ask and what for ya live na wala wo. Wa gias Esther Edokpayi was obovekun. Me when me do ta wala ho. Hello, I dey hear you.
Hello?
Hello.
My lovely people, about le jeu, Salita.
Koji.
Ouais, c'est que Cabon, nous y a moyen d'aller pour savoir à tout à l'heure.
Et c'est que vous ouais.
No, after you're going on my well,
He said,
you are a wisdom person. So this matter, as me want maybe take talk put for this matter.
Use pidgin English take talk put to so
I
that
bet
people
if
will follow.
the family,
Yes.
Akobel, Esther, everybody the family. The people when they give all these people problem, now some of presenter where they this social media space now they give them problem. And another thing where I want to talk, these people, they be family. The day when they go settle, they don't call anybody say, that's what you join me or come. We won't settle. Now so they don't go call anybody, they will settle. Go ask the purpose of everything. Maybe now this time around, now God wants me to settle. As far as you may take up with appreciate, they must settle.
Okay, you might take Brak. They never cause a Brak BJ for one another. Okay, Kola. In your own opinion, you wait the line. So where the problem they come from? Where you believe say the problem they come from?
The problem as the matter of
as you they follow the case since.
As I follow the case. Part of the talks of comparable, things like that. When you talk comparable, come and say, you know, go where to Esther, because he told you comparable. Both of them don't mention anybody's name.
They don't mention anybody name. See the short video.
They don't mention anybody's name. Every Esther say a part many now. Oh no, they are social media president. The actually a part, like example, Esther say a part. The
pa many for everywhere because I'm asking but when the pa could be also talk, he mentioned person name.
No.
He also mention person name. What is in on Italy? I don't want content. Easy on wait Italy. Good evening. Easy, yes.
Yeah.
That one a drama she they have drama for a do movie.
Me never seen him before. I don't know. I never seen him. So I don't know how much he has. I don't know that much. But the only thing I get to talk for this matter, I beg these people in the name of God, beg them leave them alone. They go settle. The day they want settle, they don't call us. They want settle, they go settle. The egg show the egg the maki, settle. You just have what you
but apart from the nyanyayona, apart from the nyanyayo, Jay, hold on. Apart from the nyanyayo, the waiting me see today for Aproko, web some bloggers post. Now then way they do the fight, now use their hand they write. Now they use their hand, they throw all those bombs, they write all those things to one another. Not be people where they nyanya for Facebook right now, because now when they write all those things,
definitely, things like that they happen. You know, I will far from my people when I'm shaking.
Good evening, share the video with people. Also free, yeah.
So all the dogs about a part with that or sit me at the partner or sit me that one of foundation. Masa, Akope, Ogoreno, Esther, Ogoreno, and then I took the power. Then I did the knock.
You know, they
what I want foundation, a full of me, but when I go, Masa, maybe don't have to purpose of everything. Don't get enough about way. It's sexual. We are say, or I don't know again, or see me and after the video.
Where did you happen? So, Esther Fiemon like we what see wala na. Person carry children enter you.
Only yet paper. Only yet paper. Okay. Where? Okay. And what shut up with the mind. And just the back one. I better play with you. And just the back one. I'll teach you. You know, I better mind. Just your body. don't share more fun that and you they were so the very rest of my head. I said, well, I know at all. Yeah, but I cannot. Yeah, man, no wrong. My son, yeah, man, no wrong. Yeah, that's all. Okay, you got to me to tell you. I'm going to tell you to be aware. A kid, I'm a bit tidy, a shadow, or to accept on up on that's it. He pay me well.
Me understand it. All this, I mean, wait, so EJ. Wait, the movie industry people.
Everybody, the first time the child ya have to drama, or one of the something, mama, or shadow of the back, or you have to drama, everybody start for her. The movie has a but the name of it, bonnet, everybody that about it me, look at with 1 hour night. So everyone hang up on video. But now we was so full of allow.
Thank you. Now, wow. Hello. Good, I did live video. Okay, now this matter you dey call for. Now this matter you dey call for. May I put am for speaker?
Speaker, put am for speaker. See, our Benin people, we be one kind of people where they don't do good, better thing for. I swear.
I don't tire for our Benin people.
Salud. I look when I say they rush, mama.
Lord, the one where you take the year.
I don't already know, mama. Mama, you hear me?
I dey hear you.
Good. You see, also these two people, so this our 24 bits and Ambassador JJ Barry. Now these two people, they want carry correct come meet now. These two people, so they want drag these two people into saga too.
They want drag the entire saga. JJ Barry and 24 bits.
And 24 bits, then the Jew system they drag the entire saga now because this afternoon we came across one video where JJ Barry called one easy Omoruji. Yeah,
yes, now that one still see where the way it choke me. Now that video I see where it choke me. I never ever see JJ Barry they address people where they carry entire saga one day.
Good. And Rita, we see these people, That's why sometimes they will say women, they will say leave them and now women they'll be. No say they like to record everything. Not be all women like to record. This order of a team when they carry they come so.
Like when I'm first my people, when I'm first so it's that to me even Basuji, my chief that quarter, you get me so. For that
Ebony or Basuji, na first start which quarter? Na first start the quarter where they do so. I can start on.
If you go watch, good. If you go watch this Gorilla TV, Gorilla platform, when that guy, the citizen, now he interview them. That Gorilla TV. So if you go watch and you see Sharon Pami, if you go watch the guy interview Sharon Pami, you will see how Sharon Pami they talk for them. So all these people go based on say say women to women if they don't get enemy between themselves, they would like to associate with other people.
Use and rob men, use and rob everybody.
Thank you. So now that time, this Sharubame and Ebony, they get problems, small problem.
It be like saying that those people problem first start safe. Now those ones first start
and Sister Rita, me they analyze how they come, how the problem they full everywhere now. So
thank you.
Entirely now for this useless women. So useless women for that movie industry. I don't know what they worry. I don't know what they chop when they do what that put. That girl, that lady, Ebony and Sharubame, they are two starting small. If you want to associate this lady, Frances Osude, who come later married to whether Kelly Kubewa, where did they mark?
Okay, that one was still hot. That time not be small.
Yes, auntie, that lady can't get sense. Drag herself come on for the problem.
He drag herself come on, but he still also carry herself come on for the movie industry now. She not there the movie industry again.
No, not be for the movie industry, mama. For the saga, she like say she come quiet. She they don't hear her matter for this side. She don't want to talk. As she don't quiet, I will just die like that. Sharon will say I will not go die. They will just say for like public, they will do like say nothing concern me now. They do they go.
Sharon still they throw bomb, they come. Still they throw small bomb. Join them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everybody go say this one is not by Sharon did not go. Now so Sharon they carry easy Omoruji say we be one. Ebony Roma, you go carry Esther.
My brother, the question where I want to see us now they ask because me will be Rita. I don't know will be easy. Easy the art movie.
Yes, easy na costumier for the industry, na costumier and sometimes.
Not be say she the art movie they wear the clothes. Na costume she they do. Na costume she they do. Not be say she the art movie by herself.
Yes, 100%. I know her for that costume, 100%. Yeah. I know for that. I know that lady for that one. So now, so these people they drag their self. Where Ebony and Esther called one lay, Champame and Easy called the same lay. So it can't be like they get enemy with each other. Before this UK of this UK tour now, which 24-bit and GD Valley.
Yeah.
People in Africa.
Yeah.
They call the visits there for UK. They know how life they be.
Yeah.
For this side. All those people now. As they call the apple like that, there's the Baba comes to enter. There's the Baba on you, that one, now, whether I'm my boy, my girl, my woman, I go call a new call that one. That one not to accept a woman. Because that one you see the body. Now, corner, way they do you. I know, sorry, I'll be like saying, your time person, there's the background.
No, apart from saying that my time person, for year, now settlement will define for them. They're not they insult anybody. Because all of them are our own. Because something is getting out of hand.
So, the thing about one that one will see the behave like woman. You see how these two people be in Starita. I don't see they want to divide that way. Say, JJ Barry go there, then Esther, Edokpayi, and Ebony Basuji go there that way. Why 24 bits go there, then like Akobe, and Akobe, otherwise, I don't know why I go. In the way, only have no one knew what time. Now they can kiss that to time. Booby on all the result of it. And you have to the police moment. I try. Police say you're going to we're doing no, of Africa, they're not in your own button. And that is joining money. Where do Akobe may see the limits you one. As I look at it, a good test of grassy general, a good 20. With us, I got good and very well. And Jerry. If I never Esther will be where she would like to just eat that food once and for all. Maybe say no another person.
Any other person hand. Eh?
That UK, the creator for that UK tour, the creator for real Esther family.
No.
Esther don't buy a good one. Oh, well, if you can be you are. If not that way, me and your woman, you go call a woman, come, we go fight for us at a 2 we give him a star.
A 2-way survey.
All the social media stuff. Next time I like Benin movie industry was for our with.
But apart from Mama ayemiomo panesta haters, we never see one word way until where this indirect word way pa could be contact so.
Mama, when I did go they come, our parents for our street that time. You know they don't do well like them. When I see our parents for our street, which means all the women, all the elderly people who in the street, now our parents they be.
Yes.
They call Baba Domo. They go say he only one he let you to
stop that.
You get me so?
Yeah.
I don't know why you only be. Why you only take it? Me, I sabi see. Nobody see for that movie industry.
But for me, oh my brother, if I, for example, somebody talk something, not mention my name. At that beginning, only once like that, I know will just easily come out and react to. For me, the kind of person we may be. Honestly.
Auntie Rita, I understand that way. But according to ask me be, and that's why they talk so much Marita. If person they I don't go for man, I don't go for give and listening here. I'm just the person how they go, how they go. If I see enough my family, they will misbehave, whether not for social media or for any other places, when I see this.
So how you believe say this matter where they grand in your own opinion? Wait till you believe say go fit a finish. As you they follow the matter, you understand that way. How you be waiting make you like how you believe say go fit a finish, make them get peace.
Good
evening, sister.
Before I will talk the way to finish, first of all, if elderly people don't settle matter according according to the belief.
Me, I dey fear elderly people for that belief because me, I don't understand. If I dey make an elderly person and ladian, you go just talk something, you really say something go settle. Eh? Elderly people no be bribe. How you want to finish?
And if elderly people don't talk matter, they don't settle the issue go close like that. One, Aaron's meeting that day, they do the meeting, the committee that day, the members of Aaron. So the close the chapter, they say, everybody you have been suspended to further notice.
But that suspension where they give everybody, me not like I not lie you because many people do something they can't suspend only one person. Why? All of them supposed to suspend it. All of them. And matter when I see you. But suspended bunny up by. Yeah.
When I say I do write for one page when I foresee this thing, like my purple, if only go that let's come mass. You say you know me like a passage, I'm saying what this shit. This is really inheritance of extreme.
Yeah.
This is the paragraph of social media. We need to call it you know that say after you know that you know. Okay, now let's take this industry.
A saga don't movie industry. Their saga way there don't movie industry. Can't even pass the presenter saga way even the social media. Why?
When you
okay, my question be say, why is it called the drag Esther? What's the reason not drag Esther or master style drag it? If I waiting now, we say color, we make get on. Me, I quickly talk this thing when I want to talk. So, may I quickly talk this thing when I want to talk? The one when me see this afternoon, where I want to talk, the way is it they drag JJ Barry and drag Esther Edokpayi. My mind they tell me say he get what she know. Because he get one thing where beneath people they do when I know. If they get your secret for hand, where their mind tell them, and this thing we don't see how they come for this social media for a very long time. When they all know small thing about you like this, all the posts when I don't read though, I don't know her page. I propose and they repost all of them. Anytime where she posts, they go repost them. Anytime where she posts, they'll repost them. If they don't know small thing about you, will be secret. He say, if JJ Barry do something like that, now so she go release the proof. That one has to mean that Easy is keeping some stuff where be say, in mind they tell and say that because Oma is solo work be. If people don't they suffer, they solo you, they don't leave you. This thing when I they talk, so it happened to me. I get experience of this thing when I they talk. When people go down, when something go down, they their mouth or they their heart, or when they go get them for mind, the confidence where they will get to take they attack you. Sometimes that thing not be even anything. Sometimes that secret they even get and not be better secret for hand where they get. But the day where they go take sit down, put the vibrate on top of that something where reach their hand, say we go do this one, we go do easy. We have a mobile. We are they can may you just talk and may you get peace. Because if that clouds you, they use that to this chase and you they destroy person reputation. Now to destroy person reputation, they use that chase clouds. If you get anything where you know, say, I'm not in the movie industry, no. But at least when person go come, they use something to the shook person, say, I will bring that proof. I go do this one. I go do that one. JJ Barry never come and sit down one day for this live video. They follow anybody they gbankpe or they follow anybody they talk. It don't take where these people start to they help people. Even before una enter the movie industry, before una can't get leg, una can't get ground, una can't stand. I know they judge anybody. Now waiting I see for live video, now they talk. Or make na wa beg where you because say you just hold person one thing or you get one secret where you know concerning person. You will come the hammer, Now so most of our Benin people take they do any ya make me and buto. Or make no ma ye babe they your make beg buto be. You know good make person they use all those quantity they carry itself, they fall and pass level. Because at the end of the day, they will come see and say, wait till you get the time where you go come to expose where people will come see and say, you not get better thing for one, your respect go finish. Now the only small advice when me just get why I want give is now be this one because of waiting I see today for live video. Waiting I they see now make me want give you this one, my sister. So even though say you know everyone else concerning person, take her easy. The way you take they say I want bring a mat. I want talk this one. I go bring this proof. I'll bring the other proof. If the whole world don't finally hear what you know or what you get concerning those people, and they see and say it not be anything because our if they see and say it not really make sense like that, it not be anything. You use and take chase clout. We are got the clout who me. Now so some people take for pass grant for any industry present, even this presenter work, especially somewhere they say I get audio, I get the audio. Come in, I can't listen. I get audio. Make una can't listen. I got audio. It go fed the necessary and important to people. But it get the way it go come reach. That's something go dey useless to people. Immediately people see and say, it's for chasing clout. You dey use and chase clout, not be true. They're not gonna listen to you again. Your business go fall. Your respect go fall past body. Because people not get interest for all those kind of things when they take the call people say, make una can't listen. Make una can't listen. Eh? All the things where you write when I see today now, the confidence where you take talk 2 days ago concerning JJ Barry say, make it come talk whether na in carry a could be enter Europe for the first time. Now that one come out come clear itself say na me carry and come. Me no. Na in carry a come. You can still rewrite again, you not rest for there. You can still rewrite again, they say you go prove person where you know they work. This is one thing I don't understand. Now this one with they call things where they cause probably blackmailing wala. And when where you my bear where you go where like una no go take on. Or man with the area where na person carry children go Europe na no get peace again. Every small thing. Oh ye na me go when secret of pan wine the be nu wa onu water the bag go make now. Waiting. Of at least when better thing enter person life. Or jono emi agbon like that moment go. Okay, if you can't get one thing where be say you can't know where you do, where be say non legal. For example, if you never talk that into the whole world, you not go rest. You begin the poker. Eat boy. Whereas the life we me know, success na turn by turn. Tomorrow the success where did this person stage or where did the person table go reach your own table tomorrow. Immediately you reach your table, why you want a manager? Another person will be like you go come out for your back. He go begin to solo you for waiting you know. You go begin to bobo you for waiting you know. You go begin to say if you not talk that thing way you know for your body. He say if easy one bring proof, may she bring. Not be today we start to hear this type of thing. Not be today we start to hear and it's not a new thing again. Now person when me will be the rita they talk and say, I don't give in to blackmailers or blackmailing something. Now blackmail me they call that one. For you to get something concerning somebody. You say if you not talk and your mind not go reach ground, if you not do and your mind not go, you will begin to poke the people, they poke the person, you will not give them peace again, their mind not go reach ground again, they will be like running a task trying to protect themselves, protect their reputation. JJ Barry way, umana zin bo, so way. He not like to put body for this kind of saga. Zovier obo my sister. Live on. Now so life be. Because all these things where you social media tell they chase clouds now. Tomorrow they go record down against your name. I know the way my people be. Wait till they take chase. Wait till they take do you like this. They take hyper you. May your blood pressure high. Say you get people where they support you. Now lie. You know what I thought so? Now lie. Tomorrow when they, now here we day when they'll see the user against you say why you they cry. Not be so you do JJ Barry. Not be so you do Esther. The time when they carry their own entire Europe get back more here. Uma solinya we solinya bo solinya we solinya bo. I'm telling you. Finish not be say you just know something about somebody because of money is sick or when you back when you will be over here. Who got see about baby no ni? Who got see about baby no ni? Be like waiting happen to me for live video. He more while at it's more to back when marry okay man. So people not great sleep again. They begin to dream bad dream for sleep. They begin to say all different kinds of things. They begin to say house not be your own, not be you get that. They begin to say motto now so you do this. Working na here those cyberspace. If person just do one thing way good again, while I worry, I give me a PC. Everywhere go be problem. Yeah? Blackmailing and jealousy is too much. Make we reduce them. What can reduce it? Never. Nobody feel for me you take better, my sister. Because me see and the way me take see you, my sister, easy. You still need to you need to know many things. Take it or leave it. Even though say you get people where they help you. May they take carry Esther, may they take your buto. May they take carry JJ Barry, may they take your buto. You can have people who are helping you. But the truth of the matter is that These same people will hype you because the way I tell know them, your time go come, they will turn against you. Now so them be if opportunity dey una hand, me una suffer they use am o. Why call Alue Esther Edokpayi? The way I see Esther Edokpayi is a very hard-working woman, a very hard-working young lady, very hard-working young lady. Now it be person where it be say if he carry himself go anywhere all over the world, he don't get person where they already they support him. He don't get person where they already they help him. He don't get person where already they give him life. If you see person where they help you for life, where they give you help, they give you support, make you reach any level where you want to go for life, it's good for you to hold the person. Now she take whole Destiny Bagwa, whole JJ Barry. May we not spoil these things for their hand. Why Giari Aewa? 24 bid also they help. All those one they go the other side now, go the Filita for where JJ Barry day. 24 bid they go the Filita for that side. The other one come this side, they Filita for this. So now I share the movie industry too. What about all these old men where not can get Facebook page? Where not can they throw it and where they do their own, they go in here we page. Thank you so much for the stars, Sister Meg. Their name go just there, come on for space. Nobody they know. They may not they respect all those old men now. If they talk to una, why respecting ya? I beg a life now. Or segbe no. Or segbe na ibi. Esther Edokpayi wasia make una live and alone. I know say as we they talk so God they bless and they do one or two things. Mona live and make you enjoy what God take the blessing at this moment. May you enjoy her in peace. Wa get enjoy e peace e matter ma we na etin. Me una live and make you enjoy am because una own time they come if your time never reach. Ege we mena ege we dey dey. O mujo murere ya magmo hi wa give me na. Ene view in take be mo and be live video. In ya take me ene oje ene view. In ya take wi ya we ran ya ga we ebo. In ya ga we ran joge prophet. Je ya give ya give me na say because if ene view. Igbofo bun gbebe do cyberspace. Anything where they just can talk say, now those cyberspace be this jealousy too much. The jealousy is alarming. It's too much. Easy. The thing where you they do when I they see this time around, the one where me don't feel safe for inside. My sister, where the video where you do, you get one thing where you talk, where no my bo wabibo, no my demoto wabide. That word is a word of a jealous person. The time where you will take to celebrate your success, anybody where they throw away this kind of word, a jealousy or yata. That is the truth of the matter. The time when you go to the celebrate success, they showcase your life. You they do things where you are bless. And you can't see person where they use indirect word till they talk like this. Say, no my bo wa there, no my dimoto ka there, no bo no ka bo benehere, no keke bo be no hwa. All those words are all words of enviness. Now them be. Because the only thing where you just supposed to do when person God they bless person, now to sit down follow and happy. Now to feed down. You will follow and celebrate. Now to sit down, you will follow and say congratulations. Congratulations, pa me you know man. Somebody says because of I know they see the comment way. He say it's because of Esther friendship with Ebony that is causing saga. Okay, Esther friendship with Ebony. This one also, it they happen for this our industry where we did for years. So this industry, if you be friend with one person. The other one won't die. The reason why you want die be say, not be because say you want to be the friend to the person where you be friend to. Now because say you want you separate to now, may see too often not they play again. Now they fight to yourself. You will get the joy for it. In our moisen ye vania, we be say our do cyberspace abala wo. We be say better thing. People we know they appreciate better thing again. And if something good we must destroy her. I'ma destroy me now we no go rest. Envy and jealousy bungbi. Is too much. The matter ma we na etin. Wa sister Edokpayi wa say o salo pa seti bless e ona be vi mon la we bo. Wa zo bo. Aga isi obiere. Na time person take the sit down go take the right music. Na time take the sit down take the right movie. Oni me wa do tawa vana. E time o ya to ta ya gbe movie, e time o ya to why do aye brain e ya hin saga. We be say na saga go come dey follow na dey do. E yet no go fit do wetin carry and come out again say you want do. Esther no be a saga person. Undermining say Ebony they follow and they waka. But if you become enemy of Ebony, for example, just now, which game now one game for inside? Not be say you yourself who you want me to become enemy, you want take Ebony to be your friend. No. But because you don't like Ebony, does not mean that nobody should just go close to Ebony. Yeah, because what me they see, be like say na Ebony na be the something we na start to the fight before this Esther won't happen. I don't know now. What me and see for video now they talk so. Yeah. So because you don't like Ebony, nobody should go close to Ebony again. Yeah. How many wine ni raw? Okay, no. Ni wine I will na ni wine. De bieka I will na bieka. Me I don't know the day we be say we will be many people. We go come sit down. It go be say we go sit down. We will see adults we go fit settle matter. Then we fit settle matter. Adults go fit really iron matter. Yen bege kene matter jibu we yen yagwan yo. The matter go die natural death. Now lie you. I not believe say na blogger be the problem. Thank you, Sister Precious. Not be blogger be the problem at all. Cause if I know the blogger here. The time when we say na Aproko be the problem for social media, Aproko go hide for more than 2 weeks. Fight no great finish. So now that one make me believe say don't be blogger be the problem. Somebody say, Rita, Bible said when the foundation is broken, what can the righteous do? The jealousy is from upbringing. I'm telling you, the jealousy, the enviness, the hatred, the gossiping, the backbiting. God of Nazareth. Now, so we'll just contain this one like a day. Even the Ewebo people where they Europe. Osabo are blessing when you feel builders. While I don't call my people. Even so, now some people did this Europe. The day where God bless them with, you don't tell where they find that thing. The day where God go bless them. In one way, some people will be say they know they sick before. The time where God go just bless them with that thing where they don't define for this Europe many years, or even that Nigeria. A sickness he was when me and worry. The next person where see I want me sick, make it die, make it live. All the suffer way suffer. May not even enjoy it for math. Unless say you know your God. You can't go hold your God where we say, no, I don't to suffer for my life. My happiness cannot be your pain. If my happiness in your pain, it be your pain, now be say, no, you don't want. You don't want, I don't need you around me for my happiness to be your pain. Anybody where you see and say your happiness na your pain, be careful of that person. Even though say una settle, not go close. Anybody where be say your happiness na in pain, you go they make and they cry. The only time when you will see that person they happy now when you they cry. La wo wo, you reach where they run for. Or one or raw bera, it day your oblige. Anywhere where they around your family, don't go close. Even though say una settle, even though say na your blood brother, na your blood sister, your happiness is the pain of that person. Don't go close. Because some people did the only time when they play with you, now when you frustrate. Now when things not they okay with you, now when they feel they rub your head, they say sorry. Oh sabala wo ibata sorry. Person they use until they pray. Sabala yaki bata sorry yomonuro. What is it? Enemy people they like me that they remove I sorry shoe. They put for other people who don't. You see them when it's time to say I'm sorry, oh sorry. Sorry sister, sorry this one. If to say I say I don't buy you see the guy for I will go so. While I go do everywhere like this. The young shall grow. One thing where our Bini industry, anywhere where be say whether na social media or na here. Let me tell you people one thing you need to know. One thing we I need to know say the young shall grow. Many people know they take that thing. They don't want to take it for an answer. It not start today. It start long time. They no one take the young shall grow. That oibo and parable where English people make, they don't want to take it to be true. The young shall grow. It's a bad word for them. They don't want to believe that the young shall grow. But the way me I understand nature, the way nature be, the young shall grow. The young will grow. No matter what you do. No matter what you do, the young will grow. You not get as you want to arrange. Oh, sorry, that person. Come back again. The young will grow. You like, you go do juju. You like, you go fight. You like, you go do ikbere. You like, you go do imere. No matter what you do, the young shall grow. Even if this Esther Edokpayi where they reign now, or any other person where they reign for this industry as we they talk so, he get where he go reach, his time go expire. Another person go come up. The young shall grow. Hello.
Hello, Esther, Rita. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Mama. Load the one where you take the call.
Yeah, yeah, me this guy Mantan or Rotona. When what return do where my banner do.
Imai mi no see o na so ide o.
If they are too jealous.
Hey!
Oh yeah.
Jealousy
It's a story no. Even now in the Europe he said, if you do I did allow way because mine no keep against you.
Umai.
Yes, argue with the other way Sudan where Fiona for so the fact is just that they should try to so with here because already done very rampant.
And it's getting too much.
Jealousy. In your private on there's nothing you can give account of. Nothing. And secondly, Edokpayi obey Esther I don't even know. I might say 3 days you and do am because the look me why we are just I don't like the music. Una Esther or got me after you drop when you are in one. And not the one for the first time. If I wanna make video so I will wait we must where I wanna eat. But you now have there around somebody that don't want to see your happiness and you have that person as a friend. The best way for you to manage that friendship when not celebrate your age is to be mindful how you move with people like this. You have to use diplomacy in order to live with people. So sometimes here now also they have to talk to themselves. Public of because if you don't like any no money, okay, look. When I want of if these people really are happy, show one of these I still load them. Near help on my way. If you don't have or then you have
now so document matter be for this ed. Now so they take spoil document matter for Gemini. We are anything if you are doing or then near lane, it was beside you. And here am a good deal. Now that why you can was pass so I should do.
I watched the video, and when I watched the video, I just sympathize with him. If, for instance, when he accused of your banana talk, you are more Ezania. Here, what are what's in that? They do not have access to that blessing. So, that guy to be. I want where in a genic, but if one taking out like we are here, where Nivia do. Opana was to see the next day. They are not celebrity. There's nothing special. So what is the noise about? What is the noise about?
Share the video, my people. Share the video.
It's terrible.
Very, very terrible. Honestly speaking, it's terrible.
When they don't say because it's too much. Everybody have Facebook, everybody have YouTube, everybody have what is it? I wait there you don't even make friends. Or I'm going to let go when I say first one here.
He's just a low boy. Anybody where you just tell your mind or your body yourself.
Honestly speaking, even when they present a moral, these things people should learn how to solve their problem.
My sister. The person where you say make I tell this person concerning myself this time around as an Edo person. Immediately you don't tell that person what it concern you. Or where you born and don't finish. You go come they use that thing till they shock you. Although yeah shock you. Why you even now here? Oh sorry Jay, you mistake if you hello.
Hello.
Hello,
good evening.
Good evening, I did live video.
Good evening.
We did live.
I think contribute for this matter on the talk though.
Yes, sir.
Nigerian industry, Edo industry. Yeah, for my own you actually listen to people because I know the industry, I don't know how they do everything for there. Airborne, if not me, the airborne, every day all they give glory to God, all they worship God. If you don't hear God before, because of what those 4 girls do that day, I was tears in my room. I can't think don't say happened to me before.
You say make everybody make it they celebrate God. If you don't know God before, make go know God.
Make it they worship God because those girls before they come out on social media, go talk, go vomit. You know they don't carry the name so far.
Where?
You know, it's not me or me she not vessel. Me she just stay closer with God. Me they need free with God.
I'm telling you. Now the only way they succeed evil people like that.
Jesus, before they go come mad, go cry, they go do like say they go they witchcraft, go the coffee go make everyone give life to Almighty God.
If they happy, if they only one small thing where she will just talk, you don't measure person name. When I even see waiting a bony talk, you don't measure person name. Where it cause problem. So the thing shock me. Say this one. That bony atana. That thing where just turn, I just cause all this while away they ground on my phone now. Me with the touch.
It's not me she. She give you life.
Oh my God, it's in any small thing no wow. Our people go say Ogbe. Oh my table no mama swear you mo here go here.
Because that girl a people like boboti.
He like boboti, they want you keep boboti for your body. Make she run enter house, me no even do boboti again.
Me tell you, inside that December last month, it came what I see for social media, but the place now see Africa. It gets some people where they appreciate because of their comment. When I watch, I was cry. I've been waiting, come up my mouth before say, I bigger like Movaria Zay, who can no boy melo here to be.
You don't want to be a Edokpayi again. You don't have to be a do. You don't want to be a do.
We like video, no kabo sikene, fotiene. Oh no, we sister wa viepa. Ela go tell ya moaria de. Ibie we buya luwi nere we pona. Ilo vie tote.
Ebo alare, me ni meje ebo mi alare o.
Ebo ya amina ya ko vie da o de pe ya ko de.
But he love it to never. Man like him is yes so.
You are full of pettiness, you are full of jealousy, you are full of everything. They don't want you to grow past it.
They don't want you to grow. If you just grow, a grow chawala. Why ma beg or give me no sunu we live with you now? Why beg eh?
Before when it's not doing that, where we now where we I see you. Okay, no, but that you know that they said they want video or that said a message. The first what come in Europe genocide about Thomas. It's solo genocide. Monica
genocide the one the time we just said, hey, salu boame o. Why did they name man okay you do better?
My mom say me because of that God forgive me have mercy. I tell my husband I
don't like to la to time any no na no by la to correct here wa mo gboto.
I tell my husband what they said the first place for my heart when I say forgive. But I don't feel forgive. I don't feel what I'm about to say. Do jealousy, heaviness. Even though let's come out for social media, that boboti that get the boboti. Everybody knows.
Person go just they enjoy, they go, they popori, they go na problem. If you laugh with the fine set of teeth where God give you now, wahala. They don't agree, unless say they see and say, now tears they your eye, finish with them for leave you. When I
before enter Europe, before enter this Europe, 1999, my grandmother tenant, they make cook, all of the things with mouth, they bombing never for me to reality that time. According to my grandmother. Oh, we know to reality, no, you pay cooking. A great before the book, they're not doing near what I said. They make cook, they costed me, they shot me for back, they hit my grandmother was away, my mother is away. Me, I don't know what they have me or they do my own, they go. Inside the way they do the meat, now inside the way they try to give you. Now I feel like before they know what is about outside Europe, when I did to this so. They were shocked after I come out the shockness enter their body. Then they put the fight and put the confess. They don't say this one more for the fact of my grandmother. I'm just telling you the truth.
Thank you, Kola. God bless you.
Now my grandmother come and say, see what those people, see what they be pro. And I say, I don't know if me just they do my own people. He's saying no. May I put to Ebony. Make Ebony give life to Christ.
No, ya Jesus.
Jesus.
Ima ya gboma wa ba big buff with me now. Ayemiomo, even this Akobe, the time where they grow up, which wahala in no face. You swear I see I got the party in this. And no worry, sag you give money, or market no igaro. Eh? Now so it just day. Bena me, Igbofo Bumbele, we ma wala wo. But reduce anybody where job be say job they come up. Eh? Iye wa me wali gbofo to yo carry jealousy. Wahala te follow dragon. Is it a crime for a person to have a successful life? Eh? They don't like good things, my people. They don't like it. Hello, you made me score. Eh.
Consider my 2 cents.
Now, wow.
My 2 cents, the way I see this my take over this matter on ground. Good evening, everyone. So I put on for speaker.
You did speaker, Jared.
So what I see for this matter, I first can say every industry there must be problem. You understand me? Jealousy must stay. It's there for family. It's there for friendship. It's there for husband and wife. Even some husband and wife say if they progress, your husband go the best. Some people their wife go the best.
Yeah.
I just experienced that before for my family. Okay. So what it makes it so, I make an answer, Genevieve, quarter no day or jealousy no day. Like this Esther and Akobe, it don't stay for ground. I don't know how long ago. I don't watch with him. I don't even know when I watched with him movie last. You understand me?
Even me.
Okay. When it will happen, I would have loved at least elders did the group. You understand me for the industry? Elders did it. For them to come
that's in your way, wala. Ni ware e ramiri ya be dasini. E bribe
lad now. For them to come settle, they say, "Oh, now you mama, we are all the same. We are brother and sister." They come share themselves.
They share. Ni yaga gbe, ni yaga gbe.
Now, we come be say 24 Bitcoin enter with a JJ Barry. For them to come settle, say, "Okay, we all they want the two together. So we be all family. If it hasn't for fun or not, that's why they this one doing anything for company. They don't know." Okay, for them to call yours, they say, "More settle this one," and they can't divide that. The one carry 24 big go one side.
And one thing when I know about division,
it doesn't make any sense.
If division don't already enters a place, it don't finish.
It's enough for everybody. These fingers are not equal. Do you understand me? This finger, even what you have, I have. So for them to come settle there, they come there one side. They can't carry the other one come one side.
Well, given I want drag Esther anyhow. They whatever way the one where they pay me inside. Which one is it the drag Esther?
People they say talk to Esther. They say when they make one party for they say officer Maeta or it be now more. You understand me? Because I don't say yeah, I say when you call that time, I carry one of the daughter. I don't know the two children will carry you, but I don't even know that now. Okay, Vanua. Now I call they know. I don't even know before now too.
Even me, the Nana make all the six.
I don't know.
And that did it shock me way. But even no man on here, I must say no sick bofu na.
When you call last year, I don't say bring.
I don't hear na me guy big way. When they flag Gary, they suffer they go.
I don't know the one. Now they are not call the year now, so nobody will hear before.
Now that one they want me to tell you but to beg a yan to you but the buy so.
10 million won't get the opportunity, you know, to the coin. That Delhi Nigeria, we say they care everybody every day, they carry this issue every day. Now they put it for that country. So I come for 2, I'm not carrying my children the coin Europe. Eh?
Hey,
so the add that. What don't already happen. Every industry, even the Yoruba industry, this kind of thing happen. It's just there.
My sister, I don't get. It's getting too much.
I don't say they different. Too dangerous.
It's too blood. It's becoming too bloody.
Right from beginning.
Our don't. Different things.
Those things with those people like business and stuff. I prefer to go with foreigners. I don't know before. Yes.
Yes, now.
You understand me? Yes, I prefer. If another person beat me, I'll not say that my person. Another person beat me, but my brother, my own belief person come beat me, you can't finish because I'll too get hot. I'll too get disappointed. Do you understand me? So at the end of the conference, they say no. On we all say we have the same. We have people. We have brother. We have sister. So now you're both
if we want
more, we call Nigeria. They call Nigeria. They all they leave the party. It doesn't make any sense. Those people, I value them so much and I respect them so much. Why don't put this one aside or put this one? It don't make any
You know
sense.
one thing where I read the disappointed put where easy talk. Where I don't like personally. He say person where not they work. I tell they carry people come. So all the effort with JJ Barry just they do all this way. My lady, you just come out, you just use one word, they run am down. And then madam Jibak Mona.
Kadakobel. Now I saw they know say don't make Kadakobel. Be right from beginning. And now I look on the know they know. The thing shock like me when I
don't carry on.
He don't carry on before. I shock up. You understand me? And I don't carry on the way of young, you remember?
And yes now.
Okay, when now they call the corner, go one corner, they call it the mouth, but they don't do na fool. When you are not Lagos, na put aside. And I don't grateful person I be waiting.
The truth of the matter is that I know my me, I don't support anybody humiliate her. Yes.
They like music.
Yes. Now parable wa do bungbe pa. Ale fiare time wa do voix music in any gribe again.
That's why for the pathway they're going to because they're not going to like music again. When they say they sing music. May God forgive me. May everybody forgive me. That's why I'm not going to like Akobe again. Yes. I'm not going to play music. I don't do day to beginning music. Now, even the Esther music, they like music. Now, they like Edom music. I'm not able to day to.
I like Esther music because the music Esther that is joy. Or even at the everyone
like the music. Yes, now to Esther, I'm not going to like the music. You understand me? Okay, that one will happen for everybody told me to them. That one not to blame. I'm not to blame them. What they say they have to. You understand? I blame the small. Say the what they judge the master. It won't go far for everybody. I know you're too like her. But when they say suitable, they say you need to come apologize.
Yeah.
So when you told me to yes, that one yes, I'm my ear.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Exactly.
But I'm not saying I'm too lazy. He want enter Esther body. Now the most sister. And lazy decide for his papa. We don't know how they say bona.
Which papa? Ubi? Okay. On your area. Okay, Akobena, you go father.
I don't know. My parents, I don't come for you. I know. Say my papa. You understand me?
Ani oi papa get there no do gbina ni here. Abi we dey carry wala den wa do see me gbarangbare. I don't believe say as old as Akobe go same person say come fight for me.
Wait, so if Akobe na go person say when is it because
which kind papa be that one?
Why not come out? Why not come out? I say me man you where? Why not come out? Why not come out? Eh? Because after
my sister want have our many people say one agioma monso ayo go monso. Yes.
Wait now, you wait, eh? when Akobe do that video say I was type away the wrong. Eh? Who say do not come back again after that video. Now lady of support reflect say I help my children I vaccine. Oh no, go help you. They hear me.
Where now?
Now they become and come right up say you want me not let me talk. Oh, no, not let me talk. I say it escalate. So you they hear me?
Easy, say make una not let me talk.
No,
be make me talk and just now when I start this show say he get waiting easy no. And that thing where she know. Not be she know am by herself. Now waiting then tell her.
I know.
I didn't know else on the neck. Can't tell him my ear.
Wait now. I don't say for the 10-day grant. Once some make an escalate, so now you want the chat talk. So now that video where a Akobe group, now it cause all these things now.
I know.
Do they hear me? As I come put that video, now they come and say, he have that to help the children. Who don't help the children? Do they hear me? Later, the next day, now it become command. Because later say
you know easy sharp, but if I want to be sincere with you, lady or son for no reply that thing. It told him my way. If you so waro, you ya fear me, you man.
Because not make sure you name, because not make sure you name.
You not make sure you name, sha better my name do go concern the issue ni. Because they dey ya way. Now so enemy people they do. They want to provoke you to anger.
A lot of people say,
yes.
Why he go knock, he go slap a pap for head. No make sure you name mo. Not make sure they are.
I know, I understand that it be. Sometimes when some people will tell you say, no answer, no reply this thing.
The next because right up say they don't start to. It come right one right up say he go talk or something like that. He want it affair.
Yeah.
Not go for his papa. No be a con. You hear me? Everything for
okay, then I can hear for it. How this matter go take reach ending?
Wait now. One way they Napoli. That one folks come from nowhere.
Who they Napoli?
I don't know. Say what a prophetess should be. I don't know her before.
Yeah, name. What be the name? Oh, we are at now. Bini ato. Now Bini ato de Napoli, who be that one?
You be Bini Ato, she not come from nowhere. So they talk you. Say why Esther will talk like that? Blah 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 blah. I don't see the watch. If I know you're too like person like that, will be saying they talk with no Mr. How they watch. I don't think it costs the matter. I think my time matter now. Yeah, this because they fire Esther with JJ Barry. And Esther come across the right way to see no. Nothing matters Esther now. From my own view, do I still understand the matter? You dey hear me? So I they give Lizzie, we they give her with dinner. When I finish she do, I don't know. I don't think I prophetess. We they give that one. Now so. Now Lizzie come talk to JJ Barry. No be here. I mean here. Esther ko be afo. The ko carry am for no kono. Now the.
Got it in area here ya lelo manisa.
Now make JJ Barry come here. Now make JJ Barry no come and say no talk what you don't know. I will sue you for defamation of character. Now I don't say come out, that is the way it is so. Now what is the need to talk? Then make JJ Barry come out. Meanwhile, the woman will be prophetess. That was they come and they fire Esther for the other corner. That's what they happen.
But even ya wa do ya ver Western ya too much gbe na.
Yeah, so very well now. They come be TV. You don't want boy they call. I don't know one boy like that. They post the picture for what there.
Yeah.
You go to the cause them. Cause they do picture of this together. You want.
Oh, too much gbe wa sister. You hear the sofa gbe na sofa ta enjoy. And
it can't be TV.
It can't be 3 to 1.
Yeah, now it can't be 3 to 1. You know what black say? You know what belly yaku? You know what kore yaku? Better call everybody together. Let's call a lead. For me, let's call a lead.
Obvious I got it. But here ya for
I'm no go. You know we're not here now. I'm no go. You know now. Everywhere go spoil.
Ya go spoil.
I want make the settle. No for my point. Me like you when you follow ma. I want make the settle. Me I feel like I'm on you. I want everybody down. Everybody do.
Wait, scholar. Where's AJ? Where's he? God bless you. You want me everybody settle? Hello.
Hello, man. Make the saga see they know say we not get work. Corona. The saga is very good for now.
Yes, so.
Yes, yeah.
Well, then when you not get work, they don't collect your work.
No, fella said different fever.
Okay.
So fella said different fever. The fever where if I go for monarchia, that one don't go. So this one now, Esther. Let's wait for the next fever.
No, that one, my people, I'll tell you now that one before we close. I'll tell you now about that one because a fever here no waroto na wagiaseto here because I want too much be Edo actress. I get person, my own personal person when I know where be my blood. Wait.
50% of people for here now we not get work.
Wait now. I get my own person where they inside do industry where they grow up tomorrow go work on Europe. This matter they want spoil and so. Now so you're somebody like Easy. I don't like the level where Easy they go for the matter. Now so I want bring this one come out. Now so I will bring proof come out.
That's what I was telling you.
Now so I want bring proof come out. Nobody they fear. At the end of the day, you feel even put yourself for problem. Big problem. For we ever can ya for my.
Yes, ma'am. What they are doing now?
Our for my go your turn to wala for a dope people body. E pardon mo. Obota ko.
We ma wo wa.
O wa ro ri mi na.
So ye real life. Atu me no ro to na. O we I got man wa mo ri bobo do ari.
Se de ni kire baba.
Ge we baro. Oya ki e ya ki e agbo ya.
For we
Wewe ọmọ àgbọ̀nla alẹ́rù n'adẹ́kùn náà wù ìjọba náà wá.
irun na ne da no.
Ọmọdé tán, ọ̀rẹ́ Esther bẹ̀ bomi ni. Ihe ka wẹ̀ ritual way. Ihe ka wẹ̀ bùdá wa sọ. Ẹyẹ la wẹ̀ ihe ma mẹ́tì ẹyẹ la dòwó ẹ̀ làjà bùdá wa gbọ̀n.
Kakabo.
Ọ̀rẹ́ àwọ̀ òrì náà wẹ́ ní ajó ọwọ́ òpè bọ́. Ilé ọ̀rẹ́ ta nìyẹn. Wọ́n lè ta ilé ọ̀rẹ́ jọ̀wọ́ pè bọ́ ní ọ̀tá nìyẹn. Màá rẹ̀ ẹ̀lẹ̀ wúmẹ̀, àárẹ̀ ẹ̀lẹ̀ gà. Wọ́n lè dábọ̀ náà Esther. Èmi àgùnbọ̀ for Esther is because of destiny.
O wafu, ama no kwa no ro ye ke no line.
Where in Itana, Tamio, Tamio, this is a party or Mariwa, Inya. Because I never na death one lot of Mamu. Esther Ladia, every no near go or Yafi one, or the letter. Osana the way where not the death way, or no Sajere, no Temu. You know what it was the Heba?
Egbe wa wo me, egide de ineri yo to.
Who Ebony is you want like Harry.
A young girl no popori egbe, he any sin no kwa tawa
like a girl, all no pretend. Over no ye soja ya, no. Over no yaga, over no soja ya, no. I don't understand it, man. A bomb radio, like a slow poison.
Slow poison the dema.
No talk,
any of you no lo talk any. Hey, Salo.
Over no so yaga.
And sometimes say even the things where she go talk, maybe she not even mean many of them. Just talk out of the happiness we did that period.
It may watch you over lati and then not turn here. Or man refer to anybody. When any time. Or man refer to anybody when any time.
You want damn yo.
Or man refer to anybody. Alamupabu were Akobe Otimano, Esther Otimano, Marinitala.
Cabo, domo.
Such a word, Akobe Kavitane. Or Katane Redo, when you're a depressed musician, Redoni.
Isha, Mugmeso, how no my yahaga of you feel use your mouth to say that me be the best.
I don't have Peter, where I won't be all webu.
Or Laria, oh, in I watch it now, or Laria Gbe.
Where in Itala, I won't be all webu. Other than I know, I go your women.
I will tell me, even a bit, Nana.
So we're going to know. I want no.
I will love your mind, I not can wait.
Where in Itala, I want to let me. That's just something. You know, my brother where or Jekwe or Murphy. No, you said it. Otaluba bless Esther. And Otaluba bless Eva. Do that one, or yeah, destiny. Where in Itala?
Why, Menuta? Tina, amen. God bless you.
Nena Kobe. Destiny, or we job on where? Ọwọ́ àwùjọbọ̀ ọ̀nà ẹ̀nà àwùjọbọ̀ ọ̀nà tí ò wọ́n máa gbé ọ̀rí akóbẹ̀ làdìá ìyá introduce ẹ̀ máa ẹ̀ tẹ́tí ní bèbà ukwu àwọn òzò kakudi bẹ́ǹsì kí ni ìyá àtúwẹ̀rẹ̀ nìkan náà
Kàbọ̀.
ẹ̀yẹ ìyàwó ìyọ̀ ukwu à wọ́n máa gbọ́ orí ẹ̀nà akóbẹ̀ làdìá introduce ẹ̀ máa yá.
Okay, oga jinya sinwa kakabo vege nina.
Uwari ni kala owa magbe ele ni hia oso wa magbe yahi. Owa magbe wa kobe ladi ori owa aladi akobe won bo wa re odu wa re ya wa re gu. Ala introduce e pa ya. Eri ave ya patronize akobe. That is the only one person. No one akobe nyawu.
Akobe ye destiny de lesi mwa ke ni destiny wa be stand by him na. O stand by akobe kakabo.
Well, every day ogone no wa fe ne. Agbe no wa se.
Emma.
I don't understand.
Kakabo.
Next time I offend akobe, every man don't be offended in a way, every man.
Oh, offend dey yan be discuss any say. Yes, now.
Where we know we was mona
Happy Sunday.
or we was mona so me like so. Na ya we piano. E destiny wa ko be ni. E akobe wa se no che destiny as a junior brother to a junior brother no. E destiny kini ye. O ti o tere wo sunu. O ma understand. Me e destiny akobe ya me di destiny na ehun eniyan.
When you
Eru wala destiny atiye matatoria.
Kabo.
You know what I wrote on Anya? Never while I destiny after tuna or one of the by dollar.
On your way, the biggest part of
Those
it.
people, they are not happy.
Kaka. Ebo bunoma happy jo.
They are not happy.
Kakabo.
Who will get the body? What I mean?
Oh, why call was making on me? No. Oh.
Very simple man. Or one man.
Our people not defend simple people. Listen to what baby Jian.
Baby, near it all.
No.
Who Otiman on late last time? Katosa. Any man gave a whistle body last time. He gave a bayo.
My brother.
He gave a Yuri Iowa.
Kakaboye mwegboto.
JJ Barry. JJ Barry 24 bits. He make bezo.
He make bezo. If we mama do aga
He make bezo 24 bits a destiny. He make bezo. You don't look at our people. Here only our tears on here. We are legal here.
Who must suffer at the end of the day? My sister, my people, if you we mess on him, or moments on him to get to name a break.
Where we go there, or we go here
for we, or we mama will be. What soon?
When you are the type of it, if you are here, never bowa, I bobo. I am no dimoto, I bobo.
Imote vanima devil down 1 week. Or see a saga on my phone, I take it one mula than last year. Ah, yes, saga jina no my phone. Oh, wadi moto, ni mula than. Or see a wala barangay. MSOT you move here, keke the view.
Obiendo movieto, omi ona Esther Saltandwater blessed.
Anyway,
I leru no Saltandwater no bless all no bless here. Also agbofe.
Ogbafe ni me problem ogwa lo hu nobody your own for. Because of him no begging no many any. If you pan a man of you don't suppose they have changed.
When we are here, our Edoya
Ado afilitane ra ona ruwae. Idame yepa. Ko.
Edoya bitawe no bekeru weke. Where ni tala. Owe eje abere o ma o eyan.
Oba o eyan bi.
This problem no so la. Atu easy no Italy ni. I can tell you where only Ogbe ma ti awa.
E ka tani ba, e be na no ba we denu we deni yemu bochebo.
The main person no ruwetona o etadoka.
E ba go lete bo kwa o on the step wa egbe mi mala.
Easy just Ogbe lo, Ogbe owuko la je ohun ye yi.
Age ohun Jesu.
Owe ni tama we la. So that all here right so. Oh yeah, you with problem normal ever.
Egbe ni table la video every time. When maybe some people don't use their heads, carry what they don't know. Erivia we ma wash. Iya ma oni ari egbe la tin ye egbe le iya alu e ma be.
Ime body here. Uda me ya you with agbekwa. When ni tana.
Yeah.
Easy here. The main person owaro fiako no duzana na. Amagwa de owa magu edia owa ni iya ma we mewe we gbe negbo ye gbe do ma le la o ugyo ma ni le la o we me ni tana don't say ma we
You understand the part? Owe di kwa gbeme o ma.
No wa magu we owa ni magwa uge no ogwa
Edi gwa gbeme o ma.
Uma igbogo bana ebi be mana. No tell no wa.
One time in your way yes na so e boni no fit buy her. Na so she dey use her money, she no invest her money. They no dey come we o ma igbago we.
Owa le boni oro ti me gogo. E mo jaja be rio. Otiti age, otiti. I don't understand it, man. The only thing is here the people ni me here hinia. You only hear a video na ya hinia. You only hear a mama loka teto. Igima mama no ka tedo.
Keke be mama part too so.
Hello?
Yes.
Iyi ma ye almighty. Mama no ka tedo.
Almighty no one.
Iyo no ye matana yim. Deba eriti o sole.
E mama part too so.
Deba mama part. When we tana.
Be me ati Mr. Sasuyi West.
Sasuyi West.
A part the boy of young.
This man already that road. This I said here old man already that road. The man now from Obose for the drama there.
Marjorie man.
It's a love.
Okay, ça love.
It's a love.
Ça love.
Those men, those are the men. He want use the video na here. Anyone, the red movie industry, ni allow. Ni afia koko, ni agwayo. Ni allow wo use the video na ya here.
Wala wo ti ma give imi ya.
Movie industry on tedo.
Okay, ya too much gbe o. Ya afi o deni mani bun o. Ya tell me no ma keke ni ata. Yes.
Beki ni adonania. Egi ama ijomare.
Meta bu we na say na we. Ya tell me no ma keke ni ata. Ya we mi no ma keke ni. Ya be made mistake no kwa.
Ya only said on the 24 bit JJ Paris.
Ni bien be do aye lo ya so le gbiyan. Ege ni ya iri ya ni ya wa. Ede bi e ma wa se.
Ona ya kick against ewa.
Even me wa sensible way pa. Iya oni ya shuke gbe na oni shuke na information na no me. No pa oni shuke information na ni me. Iya shuke gbe ne ba ni ya ro to kekan.
Beni alu e ma kakabo.
Wesi domo. Wesi pa.
We be no here. Otewe yo ni le go oti ma ko be gwa. Oti ma ko be. Ore ni na ho magina. Egbe yeti na ahia ho wegina ala la lori o fe ayi go po fe
ohe
one me near one time always to die no me ya with the cabin ama su woman e ba tali
egbona ka wa bi aro to wa ma si woman ohe
o du gbe po wa ma gbe wa enu wa ma gbe ule o bi we
ayi hia
na ido aka bi dagbo.
Although any gbera na ya settle na me ya me Facebook ya ba ko ba me picture ya ko
na be we edo we ya no ejiku wo be ni ha
we say pass our blessing we
ni aru enwa
o wa gele wa understand the matter no roto na kaka bowe pa you really get am we sabo ade ba we do mo jua me hello Koji, you really know? Okay. We beg a panoti ban. A pa really understand where this matter they go. You understand that? Our many people they talk and say where person no fit talk for matter. Now then I the truth today. Yes. Where person fear not let people reach for matter. Now then I truth today. The time when me they see easy and the way I tell they see easy they right. The confidence in no is too much. It cannot be her. The confidence is too much. When she tell they say, "Now so I go do this one. Now so I go do you that one." No, there must be an inner power or behind power. We don't know when people they suspect say they ginger ram because our people are good at doing this thing. When they want go do war, they don't go carry their head come out unless you know say now this one way they behind. They go carry another person head put for front. Why they go hide their own head, they use their head till they achieve their purpose. Then they do want to live video presenters where they do presenting work. They will call for behind, they will ginger and like this one where that one go do the other day now. When me they always they talk every day for Facebook say, I know what they happen. I not be a moment for the industry. The person where you get what different from the person where you go they carry them out. They are two different people. So my people, this thing where they grant now make we tell them make they settle. Mama part too so. Mama OKH. All these are people that can settle all this issue. At least me come for live video. If they bloggers carry, I know our Edo bloggers so Edo bloggers. Now green me something enter there because me no fit talk say na them be the problem. People they say na presenter be the problem. Now wait till you give presenter they go chop. Now wait till you give bloggers they go chop. If they don't see anything they go rest. Sometimes mom each like this they fit draw. But if they don't they hear your updates, they don't see your updates, they don't go see and draw. Now only when they go see your update, like the one when I see today now, Esther Edokpayi update many. Easy update many. JJ Barry come and come talk to you. I know say don't already do. That one, word go many for grant. We want peace. Walao, a peace magwalo. Keke we wa Esther Edokpayi bo. Oh mama, there we are na ma lago do hun, dona lago do hun. Tommy on over here go do hun. Me dan. Nobody way not define her. Person way one stand by. We will be present our day live video. We define supporter. Rita, you are very correct. Someone is backing is yes now. We define supporter. People will go support us. And jealousy is also very big in this industry. Now so it job be. Anything we don't concern why do people igbovu who will less safe, who will you will run away from igbovu because igbovu big. My people. Our people say Izigbe, I setting up ukboma. Izigbe. And keke with wisdom and brain. Na person they succeed. Person where they worry you. When you know say you don't already get enemy, you don't Satan. Problem they happen me for know where person stand put for your life. Sometimes I love when problem happen. Things like this. I they like when it happen. You know they weigh me down. Lie you. I never see what somebody want to go weigh me down. Me we be rita. Instead, we go weigh me down. He go waking my spirit up. He go waking my spirit. Because I know that there is every triumph in every temptation. Eh? I know say triumph dey temptation. If you be person where you get wisdom, your triumph will be very close to triumph. Hello.
Hello, Victoria.
Hello, Mama. Good evening, ma.
Are you still online?
Yes, we did live.
You see, what I'm saying is that
Mama, speak PG this time.
Okay. The jealousy for among Benin is just too much.
Salami.
And the Bible says that jealousy is witchcraft. Jealousy and envy is witchcraft.
Big witchcraft.
You get me?
Yeah.
So, and they're not it's not the first people that are bringing entertainers. Yoruba full for London, they're full for US. Tony Ade, Belize Obey, a lot of people bring a lot of people. But now, JJ Barry and 24B, now the new blessing will come now. They won't block them. They won't block them. This thing when you see, so when they talk when their mouth they open. This thing happened, the same thing in London. There's a guy, I remember that time. This was in 1992. This guy, Nabini guy, he do for people through these EU people. They arrange them. The guy they make money. The guy they arrange for people so they get paper. So they still fund themselves. Because then they jealous the guy, they report themselves. You know how many people will go to prison because of this?
Government matter come out for inside.
Yes. I say the boy where they do one, so many of them lost their passports. They send so many of them back to Nigeria. I don't want to mention names. The three guys where they arrange and go prison, as they come out and send them back to Nigeria. Now the same Benin people do one. This thing are the same people. It happened in Southeast London, Old Kent Road. You get me? The same Benin people. You know, you can't keep blocking yourself.
Well, we are good at that one. A champion, and my people be for that area. Champion.
Problem there is that even the elders that is going to speak that will speak the truth, they're taking bread.
Because of favoritism. Why elders why are they quiet? Because of favoritism. Now this one now favor pass. Now the other one now no favor pass.
The oracle in Benin is taking bribe. Everything is taking bribe. Obo is taking bribe. So how would that? I don't understand. If there is no honesty, if there is no honesty,
Even I want 10 years to you know what he
I give example now. I give example with this juju when they swear now for Agbo. You see the way they swear the juju, but when they go swear for Epa and Lolo, you see the way they swear. These are
hey, Mama, thank you for this example. I use and make example for the video when I make yesterday. You will, when they swear this them Epa and the Lolo juju that time, you will see corruption for inside that juju. Very obvious. People were fighting against it, even me, because I know, say, the Mago were did that juju too.
Everybody is looking up to. These are what that is. If the foundation is corrupt,
You are very correct.
Where would the innocent go? You see, the truth is that it's not just the Benin Kingdom.
Share the video, my people, please.
The whole of the kingdom, they need total evaluation.
Big evaluation. Big one. Mama, wait till you come baffle me for inside pass. Person no go just say you want grow again.
You can't grow because there's a lot of darkness. You see, when there's darkness, you know, when there's more darkness than light. When there is a lot of darkness than light, the darkness cannot comprehend.
Now what? One dash shall never end.
You see, so this is a battle that you don't understand. It's a financial battle. There is progress. People that want to progress, they are pulling them down.
Big time.
Syndrome.
Me, since when they talk, say, I know, say, I don't experience things like pulling them down for my life. You see this one where it happened for me to live video, so you open my people, it give me sense. Wait, come make me go. Where I take time the thank God say it happened to me, oh. Because it can't make me get many sense and I know what to be doing. It teach me the right thing.
A state or a country where there's a lot of pulling down syndrome, the spirit of retrogression reoccurs.
I'm telling you.
Of the spirit of retrogression,
yeah.
Backwardness, country where there's a lot of. Hello?
I'm hearing you, Mama.
You know, when there's a lot of evil, darkness, the spirit of retrogression will overwhelm the place.
It's too much.
So, if you not think anything when it happens, so when
your phone, Mama. Check your network. Check your network. Check your network.
Hello? Am I talking?
Yes, we are hearing you now.
You know? So, it's not something people will joke at. Because out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth
speaketh.
So, all these people should know what they're doing to themselves. Because outsiders are hearing what they're saying. People are hearing. Easy. I don't know how to qualify her. I don't want to use bad word for you. But you need a total go and check yourself. Review yourself.
Now the question when me they ask me that say which one she did for inside? The man only dually lead me nana. How did they offend you? Eh?
Look at the corruption. You are suspending everybody that didn't speak a word. Because it's a freedom of speech. Everybody express what she feel like. I can say that Rita is my favorite among the whole presenter. She's the best. It's my choice.
It's your choice. Everybody have their choice.
It's my choice. That is right to express yourself.
You know they be not rich when they keep person put. Say why you talk like that? Say now you sing pass.
Suspend her. They disgraced her. They humiliated her. They broke her down. And you suspended her. You guys are joking me.
Like waiting.
No honesty.
Eh? They can only give our people. We are me any you so. Lie.
There's no honesty. That is what they did in everybody's life. It's a volume of Ahab. Even outsiders will never respect this. That's not Ahab they call it or what? That is very unprofessional. That they don't know what they're doing. Before you suspend somebody, you need to give them written warning, first warning, verbal warning before suspension.
Maybe nobody know. Maybe the warning was there lingering on the ground. Maybe they had the formal warning before. But one thing that I want to say is that since I've been following these people, I never see what Esther don't really do like that. And I know what they happen right now. Now because of 2 children we carry enter Europe, or what see wala na here na
It doesn't concern anybody. You know who they do. You know who they do. Why you are all going different? Why?
2 children we carry enter Europe. Now you cause all this problem now. Wanna leave Esther alone. Ancestor bo. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
God bless you. Mama, when I see you here, okay, come. Let me cut down for that side, Mama. Eh? What sister Edokpayi you boy? Eh? It didn't left energy. Good things they knock at everybody's door at different point in time. It they knock. Why you make it in a bunny water? Una kon yo use ante robe everywhere. Kon use an robe sta do a digger life. A do a yi direct ya sole. A girl never go this Europe before. People many way they don't carry enter Europe because of music. I still look for the other of my video the other day. Pilgrimage visit, this and that. Before you know what is happening, these people they will stay back and they not go back. Not be we start on Igbo they do, Hausa they do, Yoruba they do. Not be only Edo people don't start this kind of thing before. Wala wo. Anywhere we be say where we had put, we must go shook and make be say wala enter there the old words can they know it. Me personally, I be not know what they happen. Now this their saga now I can't know saying and the way. When I can't enter the 2 matter, now I can't know say j'ai man the problem j'ai man wala jealousy. Now only jealousy I see for inside though. I don't see another thing. Jealousy. Even the jealousy na small gossip. It can't the ginger the jealousy. Small gossip can't the carry and small gonna worry you pack buto. Mudiao, all of them, many of them, even Sandoka don't come Europe come pack money now. It don't come pack. Eh? Esther don't come back. All of una don't come back. And nobody or none of una way we never support. Any of una way come with the support all of una. With the go una dance. With the chop with una. With the spray una our money. Where we work. Where be our hand them money. Now with the spray for una. With the support una. So we can come with the fight where one person go down. I don't know if ever saw ye J. Now one thing where our people they do be they say only me and they want know. Only me and they will do. Only me and any other person where be say he come after me must not come after me, he must go down. He must not rise up, he must not. Who talk like that? Eh? Who says so? To say another person will not grow because you have grown, another person will not grow up. Who said so? And because another person don't grow up, any small thing we just do, it go your verse you. Or what son away. This is one thing our people are good at doing. One thing we come they baffle me for this live video. Now I be down and say, walking, eh? Because one person they okay, thing they okay with that. Agboya wa marwe. I work not see Joro of Paris. When they do it, things they go, everything they go, and no matter where carry come. May I use that one to make another example? Eh? If they get view, if they get money, people they support them for the ministry. Hey, abandonment. So you take boyerewa. Wait till me no understand. I be damn. Because of say he grow up, he rise up. Wait till you go talk for a platform, go come offend another person where they yours. He no measure your name. What talk? If they do, it don't they go. He must converse you. That's the way they do. Where not consign you. Where no, it not consign you. You want competition, you want to do it for your own platform. Eh? What is this now? Division everywhere. It not consign you. I'm not going to go anyway. Until those people learn to mind their business. And the one where be said, they grow, they come. They see the ones where don't see the front of them. Then go know how to also leave them in peace and do their things. And I could not be small picking for that industry. Another thing when I want to talk my people. More than not let them invest now. I could be not be small picking for that industry. You don't see they grow. Sometimes we understand. If na me be Esther, the only thing where I want to talk. Me I not say if na me because me it is in no sense of so near what to yiba me was in no sense no bungbe near to yiba but I wish if for possible you for not reply with it that I could be talk. Where they do reply with social media, even if do cannot reply, why reply we go we pa. Okay, not take by my video, maybe this matter for not even reach like this so as with this so the level way this way for not even reach like that. Now that reply where you can't reply, where people can't carry a picture, can't put on for your own. They carry that one picture, they carry and put for the other one. They paste yana kure ya kugbe yana ye ya lumomi stew, yana ye ya le stew, lize lumomi bogi. Yana way ya they do everything like this. I know what our people go fit do. It's just salobwa. If they don't create problem, how they want to see content. It can't be like saying now only problem do people take the see content. If problem not they no content again. Una don't ever see peaceful content for those cyberspace. Very few. Out of 100, maybe it go be only. Maybe out of 100, it go be only. May I not say 50? 50 is 50 a pass mark. Where go be peaceful, correct content. Where people recreate for granted say that they enjoy this thing. Ni wake. The trouble yawe. Ah, wait on animal ladian. Eke no tota jibu o gwa yen boy ahian ya se ladian. Yen do ya create content about this by. Because of ego. Waiting on the cost long life. Waiting on the make people last long again. They want to do it because of money and attention. Like one person come right now from my platform just now say, Monica is 1.3. You are 300 and something. Competition. This is what their life is. Competition. Even if these people will get competition mind, if you give them the whole world, they're not going to still get peace. Okay, me anta banya go where you need we are here. Okay, you know here peace. That happiness where you get, it go want to collect and join you. Where I say, you know if you collect what it be your own. What it be your own, you know go collect and some people don't understand that one. They believe you are running with them. No, when they are running alone, they believe say that then you they pursue they go. Esther Edokpayi just they run the race. Ebony they run the race. Anytime we take this small opportunity, take happy. He go happy. Anytime we take this small opportunity, take check it, go take her. Anytime we take this small opportunity, at hospital now everybody go just go they like that. Make when they say I sorry before you go they okay. Any small thing we take see opportunity, take dance, you go dance. That's small dance. That's small happiness where people don't even know what you they pass through for inside your body when you will take give. It go cause problem for people. They will begin to create demand. My people, this is the biggest challenge on Edo cyberspace. Whether a musician industry, presenter industry, Edo movie industry. Now this one can be the biggest challenge. Who they sad? He want me everybody they sad like her. Who be sad this? He want me everybody be sad this like her. No, you big be o nebo ya gwin your big be. Who no get?
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware.